In this video, I want to show you the differences between UX Pilot and Figma Make, where the design process is better to use Figma Make and when it's better to use UX Pilot, so we'll be able to understand the difference between both of them. And without saying more words, let's jump in. Okay, so today I want to talk about the difference between UX Pilot and Figma Make and when you as a designer can use each of them to improve your processes and work much faster, to generate design, make iteration, and also make brainstorming. First of all, let's highlight the big difference. UX Pilot is a tool that helps you to create designs, static screens, and Figma Make is a tool that helps you to create prototypes or also real applications. You can think about it in that way. UX Pilot is your code designer and Figma Make is your developer. Because basically UX Pilot help us to create designs, but Figma Make help us to convert the designs into prototypes or real applications. Let's see some difference between both of them so you can feel better the differences. First of all, here in UX Pilot, I have an application I created with UX Pilot. It is a productivity application for mobile. You can see here that UX Pilot creates for me many screens. I just add simple prompt from here in the context. And if I go below, you can see that I add explication for each screen. So from here, I can take a look on the screens UX Pilot created for me. Let's zoom in. The design looks very nice. And basically, if I want to make changes, I can do it directly with UX Pilot. For example, if I go up, select the screen, click here on edit, I can edit all the screens, part of the screen, or also make changes on the text. Let's select section edit. I click on it, click here, and now I can write any prompt I want. For example, make this section bolder. I click on generate and it's created for me a new page. Okay, it's finished the work. You can see here the design is created for us for this section. We can compare with the design we had. This is the new one. I click here, go back, and here is the old design. We can see that the new design is bolder. You can see it here. And basically that's what we can do with UX Pilot. If you are happy with the design, you can import them also to Figma. I click on the screen, save from Figma. And then with the plugin of UX Pilot, you can take this design and iterate it on Figma. If we talk about Figma Make, this is another thing. Let's move now to Figma Make to see how I use the same prompt in Figma Make and what was the result. And in the case you want to start to use UX Pilot, I will leave a link in the description below. I am in Figma Make now. Now here I add also the main prompt. I mean this prompt without explication about each page. And here what is Figma Make created for us, you can see it here. I can click to add a meeting, close, go to task, calendar, and basically what I can do here is to play with the real application. When we work with Figma Make, you can do it in the way I did it here, write a prompt and get the real design. But the thing is that it's very difficult to evaluate the design in that way. For making a good design, we need to see the big picture as we have in UX Pilot, where we can see all the screen in one time. So the iteration and understanding what we want to do, it's easier to see when we have all the screen open at once. But in Figma Make, we have many screens, but they are built like a product. So we cannot see the big picture and it's difficult to make the design. Remember that in Figma Make also you can import screen by screen. If I click here on the plus button, import to Figma, I will be able to import a specific screen from Figma and develop it in Figma Make. So basically you can create many screens and then import them one by one to Figma Make and create the application you want. I have here all the screens from UX Pilot. I can import them to Figma, make all the iteration I want, and then go to Figma Make and develop the application in Figma Make. Then I will have one application that I can work here in Figma Make. So here is the big difference. Use UX Pilot to create screen and design the application, software, landing page, website that you want, and in the moment you want to develop this application. And it doesn't matter if it's for prototyping, to show investors, your team, developers, what you want to create, or also to make usability tests, you can do it with Figma Make. But if you want to make the design, it is more easy to create first in UX Pilot, then you can import to Figma, make changes if you want, and then import to Figma Make and create the application or prototype you want to create. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care.